Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 1st, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had FOMC interest rate news for the US dollar today. Definitely caused a lot of volatility on all the dollar pairs. I mean, yeah, especially looking at correlated dollar pairs, especially the EU and some of the other pairs. Even though this has made a little bit of a spike reversal type look, I actually do think it is more likely to go up. I still think I'm very, very bullish on the higher time frames. If you've seen any of my full top down videos, you definitely know that. I think it could either be an ABC, which is definitely possible, or maybe it is a 1, 2, 3, and maybe this down here really is the bottom of a wave C. Either way, I think at this point it is going to go up and either make a wave C or a wave 3. And if you actually throw some Fibonacci extensions on there, you could probably get a pretty good idea where wave C would go and where wave 3 would go, and be able to recognize whether it's a wave C or 3 and get out of it long and go short for the continuation of the downtrend if it really is a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.